Rahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Today my topic is from English grammar for class 9, 10, 10. My topic is types of sentence structure. There are four types of sentence structure: simple sentence, compound sentence, complex sentence, and compound complex sentence. As you know, sentence is the group of words that has a complete thought. In structure wise, we divide them in the four types. First is simple sentence. A simple sentence contains a subject and a verb. It expresses a single complete thought which can stand on its own. Examples: the baby cried for food. In this sentence, there is a single subject and a single verb, cried, which has a complete thought. Second, Professor Maple's intelligent students completed their homework. In this sentence, there is a single subject and the single verb which has a complete sense. Number 3. His courage won him honor. In this sentence, there is a complete thought. It is a complete sentence. Number 4. Megan ate too much food. In this sentence, Megan is a single subject and ate is a single verb in this sentence which has a complete thought. Second type of sentence structure is compound sentence. A compound sentence has two independent clauses. An independent clause is a part of sentence that can stand alone because it contains a subject and a verb and expresses a complete thought. Basically, a compound sentence contains two simple sentences. These independent clauses are joined by the conjunctions for, and, not, but, are, yet, so. These conjunctions are called the coordinate conjunctions. Examples: first, the shoplifter had stolen clothes, so he ran once he saw the police. In first sentence, both sides of the conjunction so are the independent clauses. They have the complete thought. Number second, they spoke to him in Spanish, but he responded in English. In this sentence, again, both sides of the conjunction but are the independent clauses and has the complete thought. 3. He finished his exercise and put away his books. In this sentence, again, both sides of the conjunction and are independent clauses. 4. The moon was bright and we could see our way. In this sentence, again, both sides of the conjunction and are independent clauses and have a complete sense alone. Third type of sentence structure is a complex sentence. A complex sentence is an independent clause joined by one or more dependent clauses. A dependent clause either lacks a subject or a verb, or has both a subject and a verb that does not express a complete thought. A complex sentence always has a subordinator: as, because, since, after, though, when, are relative pronouns: who, that, which. Examples: after eating lunch at the Cheesecake Factory, Tim went to the gym to exercise. In this sentence, it is started with the dependent clause. After eating the lunch at the Cheesecake Factory is the dependent clause. Tim went to the gym to exercise is the independent clause. After eating lunch at the Cheesecake Factory does not complete its sense when the independent clause is not added with it. Second, he confessed that he was guilty. In this sentence, he confessed is the independent clause. That he was guilty is a dependent. That he was guilty needs the independent clause he confessed to complete its sense. The woman who taught art history to 10 was fired for stealing school supplies. In this sentence, who taught art history to 10 is the dependent clause, which needs the independent clause the woman was fired for stealing school supplies to complete its sense. Fourth, the ship will leave as soon as the mail arrives. In this sentence, again, the ship will leave is the independent clause, and as soon as the mail arrives is the dependent clause, which needs the independent clause the ship will leave to complete its sense. Fourth type of sentence structure is called the compound complex sentence. A compound complex sentence has two independent clauses and at least one dependent clause. As it by name is the combination of the compound and complex sentence. Examples: after the two soccer players lost their game, they joined their other teammates for lunch and they went to the movies. In this sentence, there are the one dependent clause after the two soccer players lost their game and other two they joined their other teammates for lunch and they went to the movies are the independent clause. Second, the man believed in the system and he knew that justice would prevail. After the murder was sent to jail. In this sentence, first two are again the independent clauses and after the murder was sent to jail is the dependent clause. Third, the dog ran off when I chased him, but I didn't care. In this sentence, when I chased him is the dependent clause. And the other two sentences, the dog ran off, but I didn't care are the independent clauses. 4. Though my mother says it doesn't matter, I am short and she is tall. In this sentence, first sentence is though my mother says it does, it is the dependent clause, and other two I am short and she is tall the independent clause. In practice, there are some sentences to recognize the types of sentence structure. First, they rested when evening came. This is the complex sentence. It has one independent clause, they rested, and other is the dependent clause, when evening came. Second, the moon was bright is the simple sentence because it has a single subject and a single verb. Third, the earth is round and we can prove it. It is a compound sentence. It is joined with the coordinate conjunction and two sides have the independent meaning. He worked hard so that he might win the prize. This is a complex sentence because it has the one independent clause he worked hard and other is the dependent clause. Give me the books and I will read it. This is again the compound sentence because both sides of the conjunction and is the independent clause. Rain fell heavily. This is the simple sentence because it has a single subject and a single verb. As soon as he received the letter, he left the house. This is a complex sentence as it started with the dependent clause and other he left the house is the independent clause. When I went to the store, my parents wanted me to pick up some milk, but I didn't have enough money. This is the compound complex sentence because it has two independent clauses and one is the dependent clause. When I went to the store is a dependent clause which is joined by the two independent clause. My parents wanted me to pick up some milk, but I didn't have enough money. I hope you have understood the types of sentence structure. Best of luck. Thank you.